Hey YouTube. All is forgiven. No, it's called Forgiven, Forgotten. It's by Angel Olsen. All right, it's kind of a cool little song. It's only about 2 minutes long. And we have a capo on the 3rd fret. So I'll be pretending that this is the guitar nut. So like if I say 1st fret, I'm talking about the 1st fret after the capo. And that's how the song begins. And she says, all is forgiven. Alright, starts out on an E chord, open shape. And then goes to an A. By the way, she's got a pretty cool guitar she's playing in this performance I saw her. It's like a single coil Gibson. It's got like the triangle type of or arrow shaped headstock. I'm not sure what guitar that is. If anybody knows, let me know. E, A, and then it goes to the 4th fret up and G sharp. That kind of gives it kind of off kilter sound. And she plays it like this, with her thumb over the top of the neck to get the bass. But I'm more comfortable playing it this way, because that's just the way I learned it. But if you don't play bar chords, don't be thrown off this song. You can play it like this, almost like C, but I'm playing just the middle string. So we're playing 5, 4, 3, 2. A lot of people play it this way, or even my favorite way is just to play it on 4, 3, 2. If you have an electric guitar, that's going to be plenty. But in either case, we place our first finger on the B string at the 4th fret, and then we place our middle finger on the G string at the 5th fret, and then a ring and pinky go on the 5th fret on the A string and the D string. Okay, and if you're just going to play the 3-string version, you're just placing your ring finger on the D, and you just don't play the A. When you're doing these, you want to try to mute like the high E and mute the low strings that you're not playing. Just do that by like basically touching the string with your adjacent finger. But don't push it down, or otherwise you'll hear the note. All right, those are the only 3 chords in the song, but they kind of shift order. After the initial chorus, she goes on the E. What does it say? It's feel. There's something I feel, something I feel 3 times, and then it is the opposite order. G. We played the G sharp. sharp A to E. That follows the something if there's something I feel is done 3 times over the E chord. And yeah, and the rhythm kind of changes too. In the beginning is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. When she goes to that E, it goes. More of like a march. When she goes, that rhythm continues until she gets back to the all is forgiven, all is forgotten part. And it sounds to me quite a bit like she's singing well behind the beat, meaning like she's like, is for, so instead of singing is forgiven, she's like, is forgiven. All right, something to think about. Right. In the middle of the song, there's a little bridge. Okay, and in the bridge it goes. Kind of goes into that after the second verse, just A to E. Forgive me. Okay, that's the third verse. And then it goes into that E part, and then it goes into the A to E that we did on the second verse. Okay, and you could also play the E up here. One of the guitars is playing it up here. I guess this would be our 7th fret. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7th and 9th up from the capo. Without the capo, it would be our 10th fret. And it's just going. I'm going to the A here now because if I'm up at the 7th fret, I want to catch the A at the 5th fret. She's just playing it down here though. Okay, that's pretty much the whole song. Great song, I really enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. That helps me with YouTube. Bye-bye.